Hi, everyone. Let's take a look at the following example. We write cosine 4a in terms of sine A. Step number one, when you think about cosine of 4a, this equals the cosine of 2 times 2a. Now be mindful, when you think about the double angle for the cosine function, there are 3 different cases. And I'll write this out on the side for you as a refresher before we solve this question. So in general, when you think about the double angle, cosine 2a, this could be either cosine square a minus sine square a, or 1 minus 2 sine square a, or 2 cosine square a minus 1. Now, if you think about the example that we're looking at right now, your goal is to rewrite this in terms of sine A. So naturally, I'm picking the second case because our goal is to express it in terms of sine A. And of course, sine A could also be sine A squared, sine A cubed, but it has to be sine A something. So I go back and I write 1 minus. Let me go back to the same color for you. 1 minus, that's not the same color, but that's okay. 1 minus 2 sine square 2a. Now, you got to keep going and recognize that you can expand this a little bit. So this equals to 1 minus 2 in brackets sine 2a to the power of 2. Now, if you go back to the double angle formula for sine 2a, this is going to be 2 sine a cosine a in brackets square. Let's zoom in for you. When I expand this is going to be 1 minus 2. Now, when you square, you have to square each part. So 2 squared is going to be 4. Sine square a, cos square a, just like that. Again, if you simplify this is going to be 1 minus 8 times sine square a, cos square a. Again, we're not done. Our goal is to express this only in terms of sine A. So we copy 1 minus 8 sine square A. And if you think about cos square A, this is 1 minus sine square A. And if expand this is going to be 1 minus 8 sine square A plus 8 times sine square A times sine square A, which is sine A to the power of 4. And now if you zoom out and you look at the entire expression, we wrote cosine 4a in terms of sine A. Again, remember, sine A could be sine A squared, sine A to the power of 4, but it's only in terms of sine A, which implies there's no cosine A whatsoever. I hope this makes sense.